Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video we are going to talk about widgets. So what are widgets? Well, these things that you see here on the sidebar. So this is your sidebar area, this is your top area, your header area, this is your content area, and this is the footer. So these things that you see in the sidebar are your widgets, and in this video we are going to learn how we can edit these widgets and how we can remove these widgets. So let's just go to the dashboard here and then hover over appearance and then click on widgets. And here you can see that we have the search area here. We have the search bar here. If you want to edit this text you can do that. So I will write here search for post, and then I will click on update. And if I go back, then you will see that this has changed, search for post. But I think search was fine, so I'll remove the search for post, and search is fine. Okay, and this is a recent post. If you want to change the color and if you want to change the text color, you can go ahead and do that. I am not at all interested. You can also change the color of these link, so just go ahead and do it if you want to. I am not interested in that. And here is the recent comment area, and I don't like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this option here, and I will click on remove group because I don't want recent comment widget on my sidebar. So remove group, and it has been removed. I also don't want this archive, so I will select this archive here, and then I will click on this option, and then I will click on remove group. Okay, and then I will click on update. Alright, now I will go back to my site and I will refresh it, and now you can see that we have only category, the search, and the recent post, and this is looking much clean. We also have the option to add new block. You can just click on this option, and then you can add a paragraph, you can add a gallery, you can do all that good stuff. I am not interested in that, but if you want to add an image, please go ahead, do it. If you want to add a paragraph, you want to write about yourself, you can do that. Many people like doing it. If you want to write some quote, you can do that. If you want a gallery on your sidebar, you can do that as well. This is just the same stuff. I have already taught you how to do it, so let's just ignore this for some second, and I will click on this close option here. And here you can also add your widget to the header. Okay, so I told you this is the header area, this top area is the header area, and you can also add your widget to your header. I actually don't like this and I don't recommend it at all. Okay, so don't do it, but if you want to, obviously you can. You can also add widgets to your footer bar section. So this is the footer area. The very bottom is called the footer. You can add your widgets to these area. You have section 1 and section 2. You have 2 section in the footer. You can add your widgets there as well, but I'm not going to do so. You have footer bar section 2. You can add your widgets there as well. If you want to, you can add your widgets to these footer bar section 1 and footer bar section 2, but I'm not going to do that. Alright, our website is looking better than ever. It is so clean. It is a perfect blog website now. Alright, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.